Hey guys, Darren here. Welcome to Mayhem Country Living. I want to show you something that my wife bought for me for Father's Day. This is really cool. It's a Stanley pour-over coffee maker and a cup. It's really cool. I'm going to say it was about $30 plus shipping. It's a vacuum, stainless steel, BPA free, all that good stuff. Dishwasher safe, which is one of my things. If you know all those weird looking cups everybody buys, if it will not go in a dishwasher, I will not have those things. It's completely sealed. And then this is a pour over coffee maker in the filter. Fits over this. You can make multiple cups of coffee in it. It says up to 6. I don't know about 6 cups, but you could do several in it and just, you know, move the bottom cup. It's gravity fed and it works really well. You put in anywhere from 3 to 5 tablespoons of coffee, and that is the filter in there, and you just pour it over, let the coffee bloom. That is, let the coffee swell up after you do first a few drops, and then once it blooms and swells up, then you pour the water in slowly. It makes a dang good cup of coffee. It's for hot or cold liquids, and you can I want to say it keeps coffee hot for up to 2 hours with the lid on it, and that is the lid. And it has the, you know, the official Stanley bear with wings on it. And I think it keeps cold things cold if you pre-chill it for, you know, 15 hours, something like that. But I will show you this. This is water from our, this is what we use for our other pour over. This is an electric kettle, and it's really fast and very efficient. And I'm gonna stand up. Going to pour this over. There we go. And let the coffee bloom. The grounds swell up, and it acts as almost like a pre-filter, and you get more coffee flavor if you do it this way. But I did want to tell you something else. Stanley used to be, when I was growing up, you know, in the 70s, that Stanley was what the working man had, the green enameled lunchbox and the thermos and the, you know, all the different things, the coolers and stuff like that. Well, they've come back out with them. And they are considered like retro. I mean, the canteens and all that stuff, you need to go take a look at their site. I don't, you know, I'm not a rep for them or anything, and I bought this on my own. But you should go take a look at their site if you're interested in durable camping or just travel or just really cool retro stuff. They have a really nice insulated French press, which is the next thing that we'll probably get, and then they'll have a canteen, and I'll buy 4 or 5 of those and put them hanging with our bug out bags and get home bags, and those will replace just the regular canteens. Now I'll show you. Just kind of pour this open. And just so you know, cleanup is really easy too. So, more to come. Alright, but before we do anything else, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. As you can see, I'm outside. And that way it really helps us. It makes YouTube happy. We want to keep YouTube happy. So, see if this coffee's ready. And we are just about finished. There we go. And then the lid goes. How about that? Actually, I'll set this on the tripod now. And you can see cup of joe. Did I mention it was 5:30 in the morning down here in deep South Alabama? Putting the lid on my coffee cup. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I would recommend this. We're actually going to buy a couple of more of these things as gifts for some friends and some family. This is perfect if you travel a little bit, or if you just want a dang good cup of coffee. Take care of you people. Enjoy your coffee.